Hi everyone. I've never done this before, but it's been pretty cool to play around with it and to test things out using screen capture. So I figured that I would use it as I look at iMovie, which we have done the last couple of weeks. So in order to do that, I would go to File, New Movie. You see the past movies that I've done here. Now, this is the photos library. You see pictures that I have used in the past. I've used these for projects with students. So let's say that I wanted to take this photo and drag it down here. It doesn't need to be as long as it is. So we can bring it down a little bit. Let's say we put it right there. Maybe we should edit a little longer than that. We'll put it there. And then let's say we use the school one. And then why don't we add the kids at the end of that? Oh, I don't know if it went. Here we go. We can make this shorter. Now, say I wanted to use a transition to go from frame to frame, I would go up to transitions, and there's a bunch of different things that I can use for the transitions that iMovie provides. So let's say I wanted to spin in from this frame to that frame, I would put it right in between that. Then let's say I wanted to use doorway, I could put that right in between there. So then the transitions would be made right in between where I wanted them to. So I wanted to highlight a picture, I could do that. I can add audio at the bottom right here. You see where they have that music symbol, but I would go up to audio. Now you can use your iTunes, you can use sound effects from iMovie that they provide to you. So let's say I wanted to use school university, I would just drag that down right there. You can also do other things like split the clip. You can add titles. iMovie provides different amounts of things to use, titles to add at the end maybe, or in the middle, whatever you wanted to do. So let's say I just wanted to have this one, I can just say I wanted to put it right above the school. You see it would have the text here. Let's say I just wanted to put, I don't know, let's say going to school. I can change the font. Say I wanted to do that. Say I wanted to change it to black. You see you could do that here. And that's it. Alright. So the things you can do as well, but I figured that's just a little sample of it. Alright.